You passed your AWS certification. You watched dozens of hours of tutorials. But every job posting says the same thing: hands-on experience required. How do you get experience if no one will give you a chance to build? That's exactly why we built Cloud Adventures. Cloud Adventures is a hands-on learning platform where you build real AWS projects in safe sandbox environments. No personal AWS account, no surprise bills, no simulations, just real cloud infrastructure that you actually build and we actually verify. Let me show you how it works. From your dashboard, you can launch a full AWS Cloud Playground with a single click. 10 credits, 1 hour, a real AWS console at your fingertips. This isn't a watered-down sandbox. You get actual AWS with pre-configured security and automatic cleanup when your session ends. Experiment freely. Break things. Learn. That's the whole point. Now here's where it gets fun. Your learning journey is laid out as an island archipelago. Each island is a guided mission, a real AWS project you'll build from scratch. Start as a cloud explorer and create your first Lambda function in 15 minutes. Then unlock API Gateway Bay, Treasure Bucket Isle, Security Fortress, each one building on the last. There are 4 paths: Cloud Explorer for beginners, Automation Captain for infrastructure, AI Navigator for building with Bedrock and Claude, and Platform Forge for advanced engineering. Here's what makes this different from every tutorial you've ever watched. Every mission has automated validators that check your actual AWS resources in real time. Did you really create that Lambda function? Did your S3 bucket have the right permissions? We know, because we checked. No fake portfolios, no "I completed a video" badges. Real, verified proof that you built real infrastructure. Every mission you complete builds your public portfolio. Completed projects, earned badges, learning paths mastered, all verified and all shareable. Drop this link in your LinkedIn. Bring it to your next interview. When the interviewer asks, "Have you actually built anything on AWS?" You don't just say yes, you show them the proof. And you're not doing this alone. Climb the leaderboard, see how you stack up against other learners, and earn your way to the top. Learning cloud doesn't have to feel like homework. Your cloud career starts with one mission: sign up free. No credit card, no AWS account needed. Stop watching. Start building.